I'm supposed to be working on this thing. And it's not happening. You know why? Because I don't have any freaking parts. No parts. No parts. No parts. Where are they? Hey, check this out. I'm supposed to be working on this thing. But guess what? I ain't got no parts. No parts. Got no parts. Son of a bitch. So, I found something to do and realized I had rust starting to show up on some of these bare spots, especially down in here on this body panel. So I had to go and throw some paint on there, just throw some color in there so that we no more rusting. So we did that up there. I definitely need to continue sanding all that shit down. And then down here, same thing, we gotta get some sanding done down there. But trying to get everything done in time. Well, I have to wait till the paint dries over there, so I decided I'm gonna work on this guy. This one right here. But I just realized those saddlebags, right? Those I gotta install on my bike. I have no hardware. No hardware to install it on this bike. So let's move on to the next project. Well, I'm back. I was going to work on my son's bike, and he got this one for a donor, and none of the donor works for that one. So I don't get, I mean, the engine's the same, but because they're 1 year off from each other, everything on these two bikes are completely different. Wonderful. Well, today I was supposed to be taking apart this 350 let me rephrase that, TH350 transmission. That's what I'm supposed to be tearing apart today. But I don't have any damn parts for it yet. So what's the point in tearing it apart? So I can lose things. Not happening. Oh, look at that. Well, today I got the pressure washer out. We're going to clean this up a little bit, and after we're done cleaning it, we'll walk around it again.
So we got a little shop update for you guys. We're waiting on parts for the 53 Studabaker. She has been here for a little while, but that's because parts are kind of hard to find for this thing. Then we got the 55 Buick right here. This thing's sexy. It's also really hard to find parts for this thing, so we're just waiting on parts for this one. If parts are not here within the next month, that's when I get excited. So we're gonna put custom seats and custom. So we're gonna get custom seats. Whatever we have to do for this one, I'm excited about that. Then we're gonna do the same thing over here. If they don't come within a month, time to go to work. I'm excited because that means I get to put a 350 small block in this one with the TH300. Yeah, buddy. Then we're going to put a 302 small block in this one. Don't know which transmission yet, but it's going to be something nice. Ranger, of course, waiting on parts again. Seems like 90% of our life here is waiting for parts. Got an update on the Ford really quick for you guys. Customer called and said he didn't want it, so he came over and gave it to us. So we're going to see what we can turn this thing into.
Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, I believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk. I want to thank you for watching our video. I also want to say thank you to our sponsor, Motor by Motor. And also, we are now officially an authorized dealer of Finish Line Factory. For all your fitting needs, hit us up and we'll get you a good discount price.